How to find iPhone battery cycle count. If you are wondering how to check the battery cycle count of your iPhone, then you are in the right place. To find your iPhone's real battery cycle, go to Settings. Scroll down. Tap on Privacy. Scroll down. Tap on Analytics and Improvements. And making sure your iPhone Analytics is toggled on. Then tap Analytics Data. And scroll down to the last file that begins with log aggregated. Select and copy the contents of the file. Then open the Notes app and paste the contents of the file. Click the action icon top right corner and then tap Find in Note. Type in battery cycle count. And you will see a number that shows up after this word, which is the charge cycle count of your iPhone. That's how you can find the battery cycle count on your iPhone. Checking the battery health and cycle count is important to ensure that your phone is functioning properly, and you can take the necessary steps to maintain its health. That's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.